I understand that some of us are not into the matte lipstick, and it's fine. That some people like it matte doesn't mean that you will like it matte. So today I'm going to swatch and review two very nice affordable lipsticks. These lipsticks are below 1,000 naira. If you're in Nigeria, it's below 1,000 naira and it's nice. Be Mine by Glam. The lipstick Be Mine by Glam. They're color burst lipstick. I got two. This one is, let me start with this one. This one is Remember Me. Look at it. This is Remember Me. Glam's. Their color burst lipstick. Remember Me. With passion. Can you see the color? Can you see how it looks? So guys, this lipstick, Be Mine by Glam, their color burst lipstick, it's something that I've fallen in love with. And I know when you use it, you also fall in love with it. It's very nice for a woman of color, for a dark skinned woman. It's very nice. Look at the way it's complementing my color. Look at it. Just remember, don't forget to hit on the notification bell, to subscribe, to comment, to share, to also watch my videos. Till next time, I love you guys. Love yourself. Till next time. Bye.